The MSI Computer is a remarkable blend of cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design. As a prominent player in the tech market, MSI's reputation for quality is reflected in this product. The sleek and modern design, characterized by clean lines and premium materials, underscores the brand's commitment to aesthetics and functionality. In terms of performance, the MSI Computer excels on multiple fronts. Powered by the latest components, its processing speed and graphics rendering capabilities are commendable. Whether for intensive gaming, creative work, or multitasking, it seamlessly handles demanding tasks without lag. The cooling system, a trademark of MSI, effectively prevents overheating during extended usage. In conclusion, the MSI Computer showcases the brand's prowess in crafting top-tier devices. Its aesthetic appeal and robust performance make it a standout choice in the market. While the price point might be on the higher side, the investment is justified considering the longevity and superior user experience it offers. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, the MSI Computer stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to innovation and quality. Best features of this item. Powered by the Intel Core i9-13900H14 Core 5.4 GHz CPU. Uses the NVIDIA RTX 4080 12GB laptop GPU. Features 32GB DDR5 5200 MHz RAM. Uses a 17.3-inch QHD IPS 240Hz display. Includes a 1TB SSD for storage. Backed by a 1-year-long warranty period. Pros of this item. One of the most powerful laptop computers for cinema 4D in the market. Excellent performance numbers thanks to flagship internals. Quite a large display for easily working on complex 3D designs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.